Okay, hello, you trader nerds. Welcome into a wonderful Monday. Hope you had a great weekend. Hope you enjoyed the Super Bowl. It was good to see the Chiefs go down and to see the Eagles with all those Alabama Crimson Tide players on there doing just well. That was a lot of fun to see, especially when Jalen threw to Smith for that bum of a touchdown. That was really good. And man, what a lack of offense on behalf of the Chiefs because of the defense of the Eagles. That was a defense wins championships. It does again and again and again. Doesn't matter how fancy we get with these new offenses. Defense is what wins games. And that Sweat guy is phenomenal from Florida State. So he did really, really good. So I thought the game was good. The halftime, bleh, what was that? Well, someone said, well, at least there was no nudity and there was no like cursing and all that kind of stuff. And I said, how could you tell? I couldn't understand what the dude was saying. It was like, yo, check it out. I got a next door neighbor and I can tell he been watching my behavior. And I'm like, what in the world is, I don't even know what the old boy was saying. But I thought it was, at least it was clean, I guess, you know. And Samuel L. Jackson, that was the most entertaining part of the whole deal. Was he, doing his little thing as Uncle Sam? But Star Spangled Banner, I thought was nice. I really liked America with the Beautiful with the tuba and the trombone. They had a little brass there for the New Orleans area, and I thought that was good. So I was kind of digging it, everything. But I'm glad that the Chiefs went down. It would have been nice to see a little more competitive game, but if I was pulling for like 100-0, I was like, "Come on, baby, let's just smack them." But nonetheless, it was over, and now we get ready for what? There's nothing to look forward to. Baseball? Are you kidding? Who watches baseball? Nobody watches baseball until it's playoff time. So, nonetheless, we will be in a sports void for a while, and I'll just be trying to work on my taxes. If Tasty Trade will ever get their 1099B statements together, or 1099, whatever the 1099 is that they need to get together. Look at this, y'all. Our ES is over the 15-minute range and is coming and bouncing back to it, and now we've bounced to VWAP. How about that? So yeah, it's up 0.48%. We're at 1.16% in the Nasdaq, and AED is negative 10, which is unusual. Well, it's not unusual of late, right? We've been seeing negative AD numbers, advanced decline line, when the market is up. So we're seeing that again. And VIX is hanging out at the 16 level. Let's look at the E-minis volume profile in our big green monster. Look at this, y'all, how the green monster just does it time and time again. Boom, chicka boom, chicka boom, chicka boom, chicka boom. Now we're at the point of control. And it's just the way it goes. Isn't it funny how this thing works? Now, what do we do with it? Not a lot, unless we need to buy butterfly at about the 60.45. I guess we could do that, knowing that, hey, man, it looks like we're going back to the scene of the crime. Let's see what the NQ looks like. I really like it on ES, though. It's really cool on ES. So we're overbought here, which would mean that we're probably, we could spend a few days up here, but we're probably going to pull back into this area here. So look at this, y'all. It's a double top, so to speak. What does a double top mean? Double top means whoosh. We're going to go down, right? For those of you into technical analysis. So let's see what the linear regression looks like. Looks like we're in a period of consolidation to me. We had the down market, then we had, look at this, just a beautiful little up market. And then boom, we broke our little uptrend line there. And now we have just been kind of hanging out for a little bit. It's kind of like, this is week 2 of Donald Trump. This is week 1 of Donald Trump. Excuse me, y'all. I'm yawning all over the place. I didn't get much sleep last night. And then this is week 3 of Donald Trump. Is it week 3 or week 4 of Donald Trump? So everybody's like, don't know what to think. It's like, big down day. Chill, 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 chill. Big down day. Chill, 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 chill. Big down day. Chill, 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 chill. So we'll see if we chill out for the rest of the week. But we are definitely in a period of consolidation here before we get ready for our next move, which is probably, I don't know, up or down. We don't know. We really don't know. Let's see how volume's doing in all this. Volume is just, not really anything, is it? The down days have bigger volumes than the up days. Does that tell us anything? Not sure. So let's see how our little accounts doing today. We're doing really good in our accounts today. Look at this. This one is up 800. We were over 1,000 a while ago. So we're at 79,000. We started out at about 74,000. Oh, now we're into 78,000. And on the year, we're up $2,500 on the year. And let's say our little account that we trade is up $453 on the year. And altogether, we're up $41,000 on the year. So everybody's having a really, really good year. And hope y'all are too. So everything's doing really well. Couldn't ask for anything more. Let's look at our positions, see how our positions are doing. So make sure we got the right account here that we trade publicly. We got the E-minis and we've got all these 3-5 hedges. Then we've got Bill that does what Bill does. It just goes up. Then we got our TQQQ. So we've got the short put at 73. That's looking really safe with 39 days to go. Never know though, right? So look at the TQQQ up 3.28% today. So this is where our really big gains are coming in today. We're up 1134 on those. And then I had to do covered calls, didn't I? Well, that's fine. The covered put is doing fine. It's up 17% and just being offset a little bit by, but these aren't really bad, are they? The covered call is down $105. This one's down $32 altogether. So not too bad. I'm glad we got them on there. Everything's got 39 days, so we got plenty of time on those to see those come to fruition. And if we go down below 73 at expiration, we'll just take 100 shares or so at 73. So not worried about that at all. Now, we put on a 111 the other day. Look at this. It's already up 6.5% on this. And did I not buy I thought we bought another. Oh, here it is. I didn't put it in this PDF4. Let's put this as PDF4. PDF4. Let's go group positions. PDF4. There we go. So we got PDF4 down there and naked put. I guess this is naked put 4. Let's group him. Group position. This is naked put 4. So cool to have these with almost 100 days and these with 129 days. And naked put with 79 days. So we love having those things there. So that looks really good. So I guess there's all we got to talk about is how is our little thing going with our hedges. And I think hedges are fine. Let's look at this. Let's go to our MES and TQQ positions and auto refresh. Let's do that. Let's go to risk analysis and change this to 40. I wish we could just save it so we wouldn't have to do this every time. 40 points. And we don't want to go down 90% in TQQQ. That would be silly. We want to go down 60%. So we've got about a $16,000 hedge there, which is not bad at all, y'all. Really not bad at all. So talked to my buddy this morning. We traded together, doing a little bit of scalping together, which was really interesting. I know a lot of y'all are interested in that. So he was up about, I don't know, $7,000-8,000 this morning, which was kind of cool. So he'll probably go back and do some in later today. But it was really just neat just sitting there and kind of watching him. And I went in on a couple of trades, but I'm just trading the micros and I'm not scaling in like he does. But it was just kind of neat to see that process as we kind of, play along with scalping against our deltas, which are kind of, just going short against our existing long deltas. And that way you make money whether you scalp loses or if your account goes, if it goes against you, your scalp loses, but you actually make money on your thing. So let's see we were doing a lot of scalping this morning. I'm down a little bit, of course, because I'm not that good at it, but it was neat watching him. Let's see our little thing here. Let's see what our things look like with scalping. So our scalping looks kind of down right there. It's on the 5-minute. Look at that. Everything's down on the 5-minute and we're down on the 1-minute. And we're down here as well. So what would he be doing now? He would probably be going along, baby. So, who knows? Anything that you think, you're sitting there thinking, I would be going short, right? He's not thinking that. He's thinking, I'm looking for a place to go long. So it's kind of neat to see. All right. I love you all. Hope you have a wonderful day. It's a short little session today. We got it all done, and I will see y'all tomorrow.